The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Addition of Fractions, Example 14 by 15 plus 4 by 5. In the previous problems, we had used complex fractions where whole numbers as well as fractions were involved. As a result, we had values in the whole number section, numerator, and also in the denominator sections. In the current problem, both the fractions do not have whole numbers, but we will get a whole number in the result. Let us find out the common denominator for the fractions. The denominator of 14 by 15 is 15 and 4 by 5 is 5. For 15 and 5, 15 is the least common denominator, which is the higher number among the two. Set the common denominator 15 in the extreme right of the abacus. The unit digit of the number should always be set in the extreme right of the particular section. That is, place one of the common denominator in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Now take the fraction part of the first number. It is 14 by 15. Set the numerator 14 in the extreme left of the abacus. Now skip one column to the right of it and set the numerator 15. There is no need to set the number in the abacus if we are able to remember the same. However, it is usually preferred to set the number for the purpose of reference. By keeping your left hand on the 15 and right hand on the common denominator 15, ask how many 15s in 15. By saying 1, you clear the 15 and set 1. With this 1, multiply 14 and set 14 in the section meant for the numerator. That is, 4 of the 14 should be set in the fourth column and 1 in the fifth column from the extreme right of the abacus. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. After clearing, set the numerator of the second fraction in the extreme left of the abacus. That is, your numerator of the second fraction 4 should appear in the first column from the extreme left and the denominator 5 in the third column from the extreme left. By placing your left hand on the 5 and right hand on the denominator 15, ask how many 5s in 15. By saying 3, clear 5 and set 3 in the same column. Now multiply 3 and 4. By saying 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, add the number 12 with the value 14 already in the numerator section. 1 should be added with 1, that is 2. 2 should be added with 4, which is not possible, and therefore add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 3 in the lower abacus. At this stage, check the numerator and the denominator sections. If the value of the numerator section is less than the value of the denominator section, leave it. If the value of the numerator section is greater than the value of the denominator section, you have to do some additional calculations. In the result, you should get a fraction in such a way that the numerator is less than the denominator. In this problem, your numerator value is 26 and the denominator value is 15. Now ask, how many 15s in 26? By saying 1, set the number 1, which is nothing but 15 by 15 in the whole number section. At the same time, 15 must be subtracted from the numerator. That is 1 from 2 and 5 from 6. Now you have 11 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator, which is in the right form. At this stage, check all the three sections. You have 1 as the whole number, 11 as the numerator and 15 as the denominator. The answer is 1, 11 by 15.